Let's do penetrant testing with me. First step, we have to do a pre-cleaning on the surface. Use a metal brush to remove any rust or paint on the surface. Then apply cleaner on the surface and use a clean rag or cloth to wipe it off. For the second step, apply a good amount of red penetrant on the surface and let it dwell for 15 minutes to allow the penetrant to seep into the defect. After that, use a cloth to remove excess penetrant. Next, apply developer to pull out the penetrant back out of the defect to be seen. Step 5 is where the inspection is done by measuring the size of defect and the distance of the defect away from the datum. Lastly is the post-cleaning of the specimen, using cleaner and wipe off with a cloth.
Next, I'm gonna show you how to do magnetic particle inspection in dry condition. Next, we need to use cleaner to clean the surface that we gonna inspect. This is permanent yoke. We're gonna use it to magnetize the sample. Next, we apply white contrast paint to the surface and allow it to dry in 60 seconds. Now we apply black magnetic ink to the surface. We can saw the result instantly. After that, we can do inspection. As we can see here, the type of defect is line crack. The last step is post-cleaning. We use cleaner and demagnetize the sample. That's all. Thank you.
This video will show you the fluorescent magnetic particle testing. The first step is pre-cleaning. We clean the surface of the specimen using cleaner to remove any oil, dust or rust properly. The second step is magnetize the part using a magnetic yoke and make sure the yoke placed firmly on the surface. The next step is we apply the fluorescent magnetic ink over the inspection area and ensure the ink flow properly over the surface. After that, we do the inspection under UV light and carefully observe the surface for any bright glowing indication. The next step is we evaluate each indication by measuring the length of defect. The last step is post-cleaning and demagnetize. We remove the fluorescent ink from the specimen and demagnetize the sample.
The defect inspected is suspected as a crack, which is one of the surface defect. This is because when we implement estimated a line which is 56 mm offset from datum with line of 30 mm is visible, which indicates as a crack line. The best method to detect crack defect is empty-method, and between empty-dry and empty-fluorescent, empty-dry is more preferable. Empty-dry provides flexible inspection procedure compared to empty-fluorescent. Empty-dry can be done on the spot, while empty-fluorescent limits the testing flexibility as it requires dark environment and influence of UV light for the inspection, which these two conditions can only be achieved in a prepared laboratory.